Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to use Google Flow AI. Step 1. Open Google Flow first. Open your browser and search for Google Flow. Click on Google Flow AI Creative Studio and open the platform. Once the website loads, sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Create a new project. After entering Flow AI, you'll see the main dashboard. Click the ++ icon in the top right corner to create a new project. A new workspace will open. Step 3. Open the AI Assistant. On the right side, you'll see the AI Assistant panel. The assistant may suggest options like generate concept art, rename my assets, build a visual storyboard. Click inside the prompt box at the bottom. Step 4. Enter your prompt now. Video generation prompt. Click inside the prompt box and enter the first prompt. Create a talking mango character standing in a colorful fruit market. The mango should have expressive eyes, animated facial expressions, smooth character animation, bright colors, cinematic lighting, shallow depth of field, family-friendly style, ultra-detailed textures, 4K quality, energetic and entertaining social media video. After entering the prompt, click Generate. Google Flow will analyze the prompt and prepare the video. Step 5. Confirm video generation. Flow asks whether you want to start the video generation. Click Yes. The project will be added to the queue and Flow will begin generating the AI video. After a few moments, you'll see the Talking Mango video preview appear on the screen.
Next, type your image prompt.
Type your image prompt. For example, create a high-quality cartoon portrait of a young man, friendly smile, stylish hairstyle, detailed facial features, wearing a modern casual outfit, vibrant colors, clean background, Pixar-style 3D cartoon character, professional lighting, ultra-detailed, cinematic quality, sharp focus, highly realistic cartoon rendering, 4K resolution. After entering the prompt, click the Send button. Step 5. Wait for generation. Flow AI will start processing your request. The AI may display a message showing that the image generation has been scheduled. Wait a few moments while the system creates your image. Step 6. Review the result. Once the generation is complete, the generated cartoon image will appear in the workspace. Click on the image to preview it in full size. Check the details, lighting, colors, and overall quality. Save your image after selecting your favorite result. Click the Download or Export option. Save the image to your computer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.